YouTube's algorithm, self-driving cars, and spam filtering. These are all examples of machine learning technology. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows software applications to process massive amounts of data and learn to predict outcomes. Why is machine learning important? Machine learning improves video games. Machine learning could transform gaming. With advanced algorithms, elements of a game, including objects, non-player characters, and the game world itself, could react and change based on the actions of a gamer. A player's experience would be unique based on their choices, which would make the gameplay more engaging. Some video games, like chess versions, already use machine learning a bit, but there's still a lot to be done. Considering that around 3.1 billion people play video games, this would affect a lot of people. Machine learning is essential for self-driving cars. While many are rightly wary of self-driving cars right now, these cars will become more mainstream. The secret is machine learning. Algorithms collect data through sensors and cameras, analyze the data and decide what the car should do. A team at Boston University recently created a watch and learn algorithm that taught self-driving cars to drive by watching other cars. In a test conducted in 2 virtual cities, the autonomous neural networks had very few crashes and reached their destination 92% of the time. Studies like this show the potential of machine learning in self-driving cars. Machine learning could take over dangerous jobs. Many jobs put human life at risk. Nuclear cleanup is important. In 2021, scientists participated in a consortium focused on the use of AI and robotics in nuclear environments. At Chernobyl, arguably the most famous nuclear site, the team trained robots to create a 3D map and measure radiation. Using machine learning, robots can be trained to recognize differences between types of radioactive waste. This would help humans identify and safely dispose of nuclear waste. Machine learning could also make robots highly effective for jobs involving hazardous chemicals, extremely heavy lifting, and fires. Machine learning could help protect the environment. Environmental monitoring is essential to protect animals, humans, and the environment in general. When storms and other natural disasters strike, toxic materials from a variety of facilities can mix with waterways, including the systems people rely on for drinking. Using machine learning algorithms, regulators can collect data by sector, location, material usage, and more. With this information, regulators can identify high-risk areas and prevent future problems. Machine learning can improve care for the elderly. Many people find it difficult to transition into old age. Machine learning and AI could help. Remote patient monitoring, RPM, is just one example. From wearable devices, RPM collects information such as heart rate, oxygen levels, blood pressure, and more. It's a great way for clinicians to monitor patients with chronic conditions without them needing to show up for constant in-person visits. RPM can also help predict future health problems. With better healthcare, older people can stay independent longer and enjoy better health. Machine learning can help hospitals. Managing inpatient flow is one of the biggest challenges facing hospitals and other healthcare systems. Overcrowded emergency rooms, delays, cancellations, etc. all affect patient outcomes. Machine learning can help reduce many of these problems by creating predictive models based on real-time data. It can play a role in planning overtime, improving unloading management, reducing waiting times, etc. This saves money and allows hospitals to provide better care. Machine learning improves cancer treatment. Because cancer is so complex, it is difficult to predict drug responses. A machine learning model could help predict a patient's chances of responding to first-line therapies. If the model found they wouldn't respond, it could make some good predictions about which drug to try instead. In 2021, the Georgia Institute of Technology and the Ovarian Cancer Institute used machine learning algorithms to create predictive models for 15 distinct cancer types. Compared to a clinical dataset, the model ended up showing an overall predictive accuracy of 91%. Machine learning can improve banking services. The banking sector is complicated. Can machine learning streamline anything? It has many uses, but detecting fraud is a standout one. The hackers are more and more advanced and the banks are in trouble. With their ability to process huge volumes of data very quickly, machine learning algorithms designed for fraud detection can identify malicious activity, verify user identities, and react immediately to attacks. For banks, this reduces the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. Machine learning can both threaten and enhance cybersecurity. When hackers use machine learning, every attack, successful or not, becomes a learning experience. The AI collects more and more information, making each attack smarter and more effective. This is a common problem with advances in technology. There are always malicious actors. To combat these advanced threats and more outdated, but still dangerous attacks, businesses need equally effective defenses. Machine learning can analyze past attacks, respond to activity in real time, automate tasks, and help save money. Machine learning has a dark side. Although machine learning has many promising uses, it has significant problems. Algorithmic fairness is one of them. If algorithms are created and used without considering fairness, discrimination that affects people's lives can easily ensue. As an example, ProPublica found that a criminal justice algorithm used in a Florida county incorrectly labeled African American defendants as high risk twice as fast as it incorrectly labeled white defendants. When biased machine learning ends up being widely used in courtrooms, social welfare, healthcare systems, banking systems, and more, the consequences will be devastating. It is essential that society acknowledges biases and deploys machine learning responsibly and ethically. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.